Hey everybody, hi Lock Sporter here. Thanks for joining me on another episode. Today we've got this beauty, an American Series 100. It's a nice collector's piece, I'd say. It's an eBay find. I've never gutted it. I just managed to pick it for the first time a few minutes ago. Figured out this thing likes a lot of tension because it's a lot of force to get that key turned. Afterwards, I'm hoping to gut it and clean it up. Maybe some gum in there that's making it harder. We'll go ahead and work it over. Keep this thing going because it's a beauty. Nice 1087. All right, let's go with 50 thousandths covert instruments. Jeez, what's going on here? Okay, 50 thousandths, and we'll go with 20,000 short hunk. Let's try. I picked it with a different pick before, but let's try this one. I think this would be a good pick. So this thing likes a lot of tension. And I feel good clicks out of it. Start in the back. 5. Click. On 2. 3. 3's binding. Click on 3. 1. 2. Gotta click out of 2. Gotta click out of 3. Okay, now 1 is binding. I think this is gonna be the magic 1. Nope. 2. Gotta click out of 2. 1 is binding. Gotta click out of 1. There we go. And that is a hard turn right there. A lot of force to get that open. Okay. Now let's proceed to the gutting portion of this. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Please excuse my dogs in the background. They are feeling rambunctious right now. Alright, so we got sweaty hand syndrome over here. Please excuse my sweaty hands. Something I've had to learn to deal with my whole life. Hyperhidrosis. That's what they call it. Get oily, gunky in there. Let's go ahead and clean that up a bit. Pull out my covert instruments pinning tray patch. And wait, how exactly do I gut this? Do I have to pull those pins out or something? Should be interesting. I've never gutted a lock like this before. I feel like these should push out. Maybe? Perhaps not so easily. Does this come out like so? Jeez, how exactly do you cut this thing? Oh, this is is this thing supposed to be gutted? Very, very interesting, if I do say so myself. Anybody in the comments below, let me know how I'm supposed to gut this. Yeah, looks like I'm at a standstill here. First time I have attempted to gut this. As you can see, I'm quite surprised by what I found, but it's Junk Bros. What was that saying? Junk Unk Bros. It's American 1087. Yeah, well, there you have it, guys. That's all I got for this video. Comment down below. Help me out. I'm new to this. First time. I'd like to be able to gut and inspect that core. So, yeah. Until next time, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Aloha.